Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, February 1st. We finally finished the first month of 2019. I hope you guys are still with us here in crypto land. Looking at the overall coin market cap, we're looking at $114.4 billion. The 24-hour volume is increasing day by day. It's up to $16.7 billion. Looking at the top 10, we're starting to see some green. We had a nice move to the upside earlier today, a few hours ago, and I'm just waking up here on Central Mountain Time in Arizona. It is 8 o'clock in the morning, and looking at the top 10, we're starting to see some green. Litecoin leading the way at 3.02%. We have, where's Tron? Tron at 1%, and Bitcoin Cash at almost 2%. Let's look at the top 24-hour gainers. So for the past 24 hours, the top gainers have been hot at 24.15%, Rep at 8.64%, and BNB at 6.23%. Nice move up there for BNB. Jumping right into Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame, you can see here where we came and we were rejected at the 200 EMA. So that's always a very big EMA to try to break through, especially when you have a very slow climb. Usually we get knocked back at the 200 EMA. From here, what I would like to see is maybe a test back here to the 100 EMA, some sideways movement. We do have this gap here, this old gap line that's going to be more than likely acting as new support. So if we can go sideways here and then on the next attempt, really push it with a lot of volume, I think we'll be able to break through that 200 EMA, which has been, a little bit of a challenge ever since we came down below it back a few weeks ago. So even back then, look, we only broke through it one time here. So that, like I mentioned, is a very hard EMA to break through, but if we can break through it, we can hopefully start seeing some more momentum to the upside. Looking at the MACD, we are in a really good position. The MACD is still on the bullish side of the oscillators. It still has a nice uptick on it. RSI has a downtick, but that's not really a big deal. That's just showing the current candle state. What I am looking at is the 50. It's still, it's at almost 62 points. 70 points is our overbought, so it's a little bit on the top side. But, if this comes down a little bit here, like we anticipate after this move to the upside, we get a little bit of a retracement, some sideways action. This will allow the RSI to kind of reset, come back down here somewhere in the 50s, and hopefully for another move to the upside. Looking at the 4 hour time frame on Bitcoin here, we finally got above that 9 EMA and we were able to close. That's a really important place to be. Breaking the 9 EMA and these higher time frames is a nice bullish move. We were rejected on the 50 EMA, however. So right now we're sitting above the 9, below the 50, and it looks like we're finding the support back again here at the 1 hour gap line, the previous gap that was already filled. And many of you who have taken my gap module on my Discord know how these gap lines work. Not only do they fill, but after they fill, they definitely serve a big, big purpose, and they're a great trading tool. Looking at the 12-hour time frame, again, we were able to break and close above the 9 EMA on the 12-hour time frame. So I'm really liking this price action here. The only thing that I'm a little bit concerned about here on the 12-hour time frame is that I'm looking at a little bit, I'm concerned that we don't post a bear flag here. I really hope that we invalidate this and we can at least move up here to maybe the 50 EMA, the 30 or the 50 EMA, and kind of invalidate this. I want to see a break of this right here. Let me change this to red. I really want to see a break above this line. And because right now, the way this looks, I mean, we could see another leg down on the 12-hour time frame. I don't like the way this pattern is. The MACD, however, just telling me a little different story. You can see here where it started turning bullish. We had a nice bullish crossover. We're on the bearish side of the oscillators. We have plenty of room to go to the upside. I just don't like this pattern here. I really want to see this either break some more sideways or come back up here, invalidate it, and start moving a little bit more to the upside and get rid of this this kind of maybe flag, maybe a bear flag formation. I really don't want to see that. Volume is good here on the higher time frames. So we got some good volume. RSI is over here at the 43 points. So, we got a great area to be in on the RSI, plenty of room to go up. Other than that, everything else is looking, looking pretty decent. The altcoins had a nice move to the upside. We're going to cover all the other altcoins coming up in our Zoom session tonight at 5 p.m. my time, 4 p.m. LA time, 7 p.m. Eastern New York time. And for those who are members of my Discord, thank you very much, guys, and you guys have a wonderful day.